It's that time of the year when you have tons of produce, and by tons of produce, you know, lots of cucumbers. So I'm gonna make cucumber soup that's cold. I'm gonna use I'm making a small batch because some people around here do not like cucumbers. 2 cucumbers, peel and de-seed, half of a lemon, this is parsley, dill, this is flat leaf parsley, and some garlic chives. We also want to use some Greek yogurt, and I think I'm gonna add just a tiny bit of chicken stock to thin it out. Let's get started. Mise en place is ready. So we have chopped the cucumbers. Now a lot of recipes online just ask you to put them in half, use a spoon to scoop out the seeds. I do it a different way and just quarter it, then slice the seeds off. I keep them for scraps and compost, but I chop them. And you'll probably do half of this in the food processor for the first batch. Then we have our herbs chopped up and our lemon and our yogurt. Now I use the food processor. This is just a simple food processor. It's a Cuisinart, and I'm going to start by doing my first batch of have a nice little cucumber puree going. I did add the lemon juice, and now I'm going to add the herbs. And our last step is going to be to add the yogurt and a little bit of chicken stock. 2 tablespoons of plain Greek yogurt in, and I did a tablespoon and a half of chicken stock just to start it. And then what I would recommend is just to blend to the consistency that you like. And at the end, of course, we're gonna add salt and pepper to taste. I like the consistency of this soup. So it's a little thinner than some other recipes would call for, but you can think of it almost like a gazpacho. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some salt and pepper. I'm doing a generous pinch because cucumber, they like salt. And then some pepper. But what I really like is that taste of the garlic chives. So let's give it a go. Yeah, that's perfect. So I would say the combination of the dill, the chives, and the parsley, good to go. It's a nice way to use those cucumbers that are really producing this time of year in the garden. Thanks for watching.